This will be a hot water durability test between the brand new iPhone XR or iPhone XR, whatever you want to call this device, as you can see. Turn it on real quick, there you go. iPhone XR versus the Samsung Galaxy S9. This is the smaller phone. As you can see in this beautiful black, nice and sleek. This is actually a good combination. This color, these two colors together, look at this. Black and like a baby blue. That looks pretty dope. Look at that. Very nice. All right, so as I just said, this will be a hot water durability test. So I'm gonna take my tripod right now and show you where my hot water is. Let me just do this right now. Here's my kettle, so I'm gonna, here, let me show you real quick. There's water in there. Got it plugged in, and then I'm just gonna start it right now. There you go, that's gonna take a few minutes. So I'm gonna cut the video and see you in a few minutes. Water's starting to boil. As you can hear, this might take another minute or two. So I'm just gonna wait until this is done. Shouldn't be that much longer now, actually. And just to show you guys, while that's doing its thing, so I have the two phones here in this container, and then I do have some ice water here, so you can see, to cool the phones down and see what happens. So yeah, just kind of waiting for this thing to finish. Okay, here we go. We are finished boiling, so look at that. Tripod is stuck, there you go. Check that out, nice and hot. Woo! All right, so here's the two phones right here. And what is going on with the iPhone already? Here, let me see, I don't want this screen turning off too quickly. So let me just go to general, wait, no. Here we go, display, and change this to like 5 minutes. There we go. Cool. Put it back in the container, and then I'm gonna take this, so you can see, and I'm just gonna pour it. Let's go. Very nice. All right, so before I forget, oh, look at that, what's happening to the iPhone? Holy shit. Was not expecting that. Look at the bubbles coming out from the iPhone. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Holy smokes. And the S9 is just hanging on. But the iPhone, man, I was not expecting that on the iPhone screen. It just went totally black. Wow. Anyway, so I'm gonna, okay, what's going on with this? Okay, start. Okay, what is going on with my Pixel 3 XL? My goodness. All right, start stopwatch on that. So we're gonna go for about 2 minutes or so. Wow, I was not expecting that to happen on the XS Max. And I just realized that I forgot my utensils. So I don't know if I necessarily want to touch this water right now. So I say, what can I get right now? Forgot my utensils, so I gotta find something to move them around with. Aha, this might work. Let me see, get this thing to, hold on a second. Let me adjust my tripod, like so. All right, how far are we in? 49 seconds. All right, let me just grab this. My bad, forgot to Okay, here we go. Kind of move this around. Move the iPhone around. I don't know, man. iPhone's not looking. I thought this was IP67 rated. I don't know, man. That screen, it just went totally black. Okay. Minute 22. Okay, I'm gonna flip this over. Come on. There you go. Flip the S9 over and then do the same thing on the 10R. Woo! Nice and warm. Okay, a minute 51, 52. Oh, we'll go for about 2:30. Yeah, let's go for about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, move them around a little bit. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna. Whoops. Yeah. Whoo! Phone is hot. Hot like fire. Okay, 2 minutes and 29 seconds. You know what? We'll just go for the full 3 minutes. Since we're here anyway. In the meantime, let me prep my cold water. So let me do that right now. I'm gonna open this. All right. Let's see, put this away somewhere. All right, put it in here. Okay, 3 minutes, 2 seconds. Okay, we are, so you can see, 3 minutes. So I'm gonna put a stop to this. Thank you very much, Pixel 3 XL. Okay, so let me, real quick. Well, I'm not feeling too good about the 10R. S9 is a champ, man. Look at this. Not even seeing any sort of warning kind of symbol or anything. Okay, let me. Woo! That is a hot phone. One hot potato. All right. Here, I'm gonna take the 10R. Woo! Man, that is hot. Oh, here we go. What does that say? Temperature. Your iPhone needs to cool down before you can use it. All right. Okay, that's a good sign. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the cold so you can see. Okay, where's the S9? Take the S9 and I'm gonna, there you go. See? I'm gonna move this hot water out of here. Okay. Both are in the cold water now. So you can see. So move them around. And the S9, well, you know what? I don't know. I mean, you saw for yourself, S9 just took it like a champ. Let's see. Touch responsiveness is working fine. Let me look at the screen. Actually, here, let me go to settings right now. And I'm looking at the screen. I'm not seeing anything unusual. Here, let me dry it off. Dry this off. Okay. Turn this back on and looking at the screen right now. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything weird. No visible damage on the display. Let's see, scrolls just fine. Let me flip over in the back, and the back looks good too. Nice. Well, the S9 is looking good right now. Okay, let's test out the camera. Camera seems to be working good. Okay, let me, okay, do that, and let me take a picture of this. Okay, seems to be working fine. Let me go to the internet, test out the speakers. Update Samsung internet. Remind me later. I'm gonna go to YouTube. Go. Open with YouTube, cancel. Okay, this is the song I always play in the background of some of my videos. Let's test out the speaker real quick. Well, the volume, okay, now as you can see here, max volume, but I'm barely hearing any sound at all from the speaker. Maybe like 5%. Wow. Okay, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna shake the phone. Maybe fling all that water off from the ports, etc. Okay, try again. Play. It doesn't sound too good. Okay. Well, the speaker's taking a little bit of an L, but you know what? You let this phone dry out a little bit, I think tomorrow will be fine. But overall, I mean, other than that, I mean, everything seems to work. Nice. S9 looking good for the most part. Put this to the side, and then let's check out the 10R. Now the 10R, I'm a little bit more concerned because, well, when I poured the hot water on it, I mean, this phone the screen just totally went black, but then it did give that temperature warning, so that's a good sign. Let me dry this off. Oh, the screen's back. Okay, let's check it out right now. Okay, now the phone's cold AF. Okay, what's going on here? Cancel. Okay, go to settings. Okay, screen seems to work. Now I am noticing, let me go back to the settings. Is this just me, or let me look at it right now. Ooh, I don't know if you can see on camera, but it's a bright spot right there. And most of the screen is a little bit darker now. I don't know if you can see that on camera, just like a bright spot right here. And the screen is like a little bit dimmer. Ooh, is that because water got in here or what? Thought this was IP67 rated. Shouldn't do that. Here, let me wipe it off. Let me wipe off the phone. Okay, now the vibration's going off. Oh, what is this? Oh, I got an Amber Alert. What? What is this? Amber Alert. Well, at least I know the vibrator works on this still. It's a good sign. It's getting alerts, so still getting signal fine and stuff like that. But look at this display. Little white area right there. Now, I don't recall if when I was pouring the hot water, if it made contact in that area. I'm gonna have to watch the video back, but other than that, screen seems to be responsive. Okay, now let's go to the browser. I'm gonna go ahead and do a search. I'm gonna do the same thing. Search for that one song. Okay. This one. Play this. Wow. Okay. Max volume as you see. And I'm barely hearing anything from the speaker. Maybe 5% volume. But obviously it's on max. But the actual output only 5% or so. Maybe 10%. Alright, I'm gonna try to fling all the water off. See what happens right now. Okay. Do it again. All right. Speaker sounds bad. Test the S9 again. Whoa! What I say, give it a little bit more time, the speakers will survive. So I'm gonna see if this speaker will survive or do a little bit better in a few minutes. I'm gonna give it a chance, the iPhone XR, but in the meantime, let's compare the displays. I'm gonna go here and let's see, settings. And comparing the displays, the S9 display is perfect. I'm not seeing anything unusual. As you can see, perfect. Nothing wrong with it at all. However, on the iPhone XR, you can see you got that little thing going on in the middle, that little spot. And then the rest of the display now is a little bit dim. So yeah, got that going on. Let me give this one more fling. Okay. So let's go back to the to Safari. Let's play this again. Okay, maybe a little bit better, but I don't know, man. Still sounds pretty bad. All right, I think I'm just gonna stop it right there. So hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you thought about this test. Overall, I think I'm gonna give the win to the Galaxy S9. Speaker fully recovered. There's nothing wrong with the display. Didn't display any temperature warning signals or anything like that. Now that may be a bad thing, depending on how you look at it. You might say that, oh, the phone doesn't have any protection, whereas the iPhone did, so that's good. So that's a toss-up. All right, let me know in the comments. But I think I'm gonna give the win to the S9 Plus. This phone, as of right now, is basically working 100% fine. Camera works. And then the iPhone XR, speaker is not fully recovered yet. The screen is now a little bit more dim, except for this little white area right there, so you can see. So the screen's kind of messed up now. One more thing, I knew I was gonna forget one test, is the camera on the iPhone XR. Take a quick picture. Take a picture of this. Okay, the live function works. Take a look at the picture. All right, well, the camera seems to be working okay. Okay, whatever, got it. So camera's working good, but the screen still kind of messed up. All right, so let me know in the comments below what you thought about this test. For me, I'm gonna give the win to the S9 Plus. What about you? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Peace out.